Oh, you look beautiful. Yes. Okay, and we're back at the UNI Day Spa, and I am so excited because joining me are two master hair specialists. The UNI Day Spa is international. That's one of the beautiful things about Miami is that we have beautiful hair, beautiful women, and standing with me, please introduce yourself.
My name is Gloria.
Hi, Gloria, and also joining me is?
My name is Jelena.
Okay, so tell everybody that is logged on watching around the world, where are you originally from?
I'm from Colombia, Medellin.
Wow, beautiful. And where are you from?
I'm from Lithuania, Vilnius.
Okay, so what we're going to do now is because we are international and we are global internet television. In your native language, in Spanish, can you please tell everybody what you love about Miami and what you love about the Day Spa?
Okay, me encanta trabajar aquí en este salón. Hay muy buen compañerismo, la gente es súper espectacular. Estamos en un área de Miami donde hay mucho turista y pues estoy muy contenta de estar aquí trabajando con todos mis compañeros ahí de todas partes, rusa, colombiana, venezolana, sí. De todas partes, americana. Así que estoy muy contenta y pues esperamos que siempre venga mucha gente acá.
Oh, de nada, de nada. Gracias to you. How wonderful. Thank you so much. Okay, and in your native Lithuanian language, can you tell everybody that's logged on around the world what you love about Miami? And make sure that you give a shout-out hello to your friends back home.
Okay. Labas visiems, kas manęs mato. Aš dabar gyvenu Miamyje ir aš kviečiu visus atvažiuoti į Miami. Čia labai puikus miestas, visas pasaulis čia atvažiuoja ir mes dirbam salone UNI Spa. Ir čia labai puikiai, labai puikus žmonės, labai daug iš visų atvažiavusių. Ir aš kviečiu visus atvažiuoti pas mus ir apsilankyti mūsų saloną.
Wow, that is absolutely amazing. I love Miami. I love Miami. Wow, hot, hot, hot. So everybody that's logged on, make sure that when you come to visit at Sunny Isles Beach, that you come to UNI Day Spa. And these beautiful ladies will do your hair, your color, the cut, everything. We will treat you like royalty. We will roll out the red carpet for you. Thanks so much. Thank you, ladies.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Absolutely.
Okay.
And we'll be back. Thank you.